Hi Laura, this is Paulina Gonzalez sending this custom video which will give you information to help you increase the functionality and the performance of your website so that it starts bringing in more organic traffic. And the three main things I'm going to cover in this video are the content, the citations, and the backlinks. And these are the three main things that Google looks for as far as how algorithms are concerned and how they rank you, place you inside of Google searches. Now, the first thing I look at, and it's also the first thing they look at, is the website content, specifically in your homepage. They want to see an average of 1,500 words of content here because the more content you have, the longer the Google bots are going to stay on your site. The content tells Google what you do and where you provide your services. Now, the big thing about the content is the keywords inside of it. A keyword is a phrase that someone's typing inside of Google when they're looking for services. For example, electricians in Lansing, Michigan, or electrical services in Lansing, Michigan. So you want to place those kinds of keywords within your content throughout your entire website to tell Google that you want to be found for those terms. Now your website we're here on the home page and is looking good. It's a great menu there with the graphic and then some information down here. It doesn't have enough content, so that will be the first thing that if you do, it can help tremendously with the performance of your site. Okay, now let's take a look at the second thing I'm going to show you is how to place you into the map bag. So if I do a search like electricians Lansing, Michigan, we see ads and then we see the map bag, which is where the Google business profiles are. And to get you into here, into one of the three top positions, you are going to need citations. A citation is the name, the address, and the phone number of your business in directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and many more. Whoever has the most citations is going to be placed here. We know per statistics that most people will click on the top three ones, so that's why it's important that you're visible here. We also know that about 30 to 40% of organic traffic via Google is gonna come through this section. So important to be here, okay? The next thing and the last thing I want to talk to you about is the backlinks. The backlinks help your site get more trust and credibility, so you show up on page one and particularly and ideally show up as one of the top competitors here. Now we see a lot of times for this kind of searches, for different searches, we are going to find that in the organics results we see directories in these kinds of pages, but we don't have to worry about competing with them. We have to go down and find who are the actual businesses who is ranking number 1 and number 2, and we can see it's them, 1 and 2, and then we have them as well, even though they're just ranking service page here and probably a service location page. Alright, so knowing that they're ranking, let's take a look at them and see what they're doing. But before that, let's take a look at your site and its current performance. So these are numbers that mean strength and trust or credibility. You have the backlinks that give you the trust and credibility coming from 39 domains. Organic keywords, and this is working together. However, they're not bringing organic traffic to your site. So what a backlink is, and why is it very important to focus on the quality more than the quantity, is because a backlink is a link of your site in another website that's pointing direction back to you. So we gotta make sure that backlinks are really coming from trusted sources and that they give you the trust and the power. Alright, so let's click on the organic keywords for your site, and here is still you. Okay, and these are keywords that you have, which this is amazing keyword. All of these are great keywords. This is how you want them to be, buyer intent, and these are the number of searches per month. Which is great. However, by only having these keywords, you're limiting yourself to only these number of searches per month. When we go to the competitor, the top competitor for that search, we see their numbers are bigger or greater, and then they have more organic keywords, which is bringing more organic traffic per month. Alright, so this is all the info I have for you in this video. Just as a quick recap, content and keywords are going to help your site a lot to start with, and then backlinks to give your site the power and the credibility. And finally, for the map section, you're going to need the citations. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to following up with you.